To test meat samples with MeatSensor rapid tests, first ensure the meat is lean with no fat. Then, mince it using a regular grinder. After mincing, transfer the meat to another container. This procedure should be followed for all the samples you wish to analyze. It's crucial to clean the grinder between samples to prevent cross-contamination. Once all the samples are minced, you can begin the extraction preparation. Weigh 2 grams of meat for each sample and place it in tubes labeled with the respective sample ID. Add 3 milliliters of the ready-to-use extraction buffer provided in the kit to each sample. The extraction of antibiotics from the meat samples requires agitation for 1 minute at room temperature. This agitation can be done either manually or with a vortex. After agitation, transfer the mixture from each sample to a new, disposable Eppendorf tube. Then, centrifuge the sample using a short spin centrifuge for 3 minutes. Following centrifugation, an upper liquid phase is obtained, which is ready for testing. Turn on the heat sensor, either the Duo or the Opto, and the read sensor too. Ensure the correct program is selected on the incubator. Choose the method on the reader that corresponds to the Kit 108, MeatSensor BST. Remove, from the tube, the necessary amount of reagents for the number of samples you're testing. This includes the strips and the microwells containing gold-labeled reagents. Place the microwells into the incubator. Then, add 200 microliters of the extract to the corresponding microwell, using the pipette provided in the kit. Gently mix the extract with the lyophilized reagents to homogenize. For each sample to be tested, repeat this process using a new disposable tip. Afterward, press the start button on the incubator. The first 3-minute incubation period will begin. During this time, position the strips in the incubator holder. Once the first incubation concludes, the strips will automatically drop into their respective microwells. The migration through the strip will then occur for an additional 4 minutes. When the test is complete, the incubator will signal the end. Press the stop button, remove the strips, and halt the reaction by taking out the sample pads. To read the strips, choose the appropriate reading method, for Kit 108, and enter the sample ID. Insert each strip individually into the reader and press the test button. The read sensor too will display the validity of the tests and indicate whether each test line is negative or positive. If a test yields a positive result, the information will be emphasized in red. You can either print the results or export them for traceability.